actually not quite as bad as I thought it was going to be down here. It sounds worse on the way up the house, but it is definitely windy. It's cold. There's like a little misty rain that is more, when the wind adds to it, it's not exactly misty. It's more of a beating hard droplets. But I did have Dash down here, but I think he just left me. He said, "This is stupid, I'm going back home." But I'm not even sure where he went. Yeah. There are some days prettier than others. But they're all beautiful in their own way. Left here to walk on. I really need new boots. These have holes in them. Which means that they're letting in more than I would like. But anyways, I'm going to turn this around, say good morning, and I'm going to probably head up and feed the animals. You probably can't hear me anyway. Okay, good. Whew. Yeah, I'm bundled up. Lovely morning. It's cold, I'm bundled up. Oh my goodness. What a day. They're all beautiful though. I love them all. I love that there's differences, right? So when you have a really kind of frigid, blowing day like today, you know, makes you appreciate the really beautiful ones. So they're all good. Perspective is great. Anyways, I'll talk to y'all next Tuesday. And then I think that'll be the last one that we're going to do on the shoreline. I think after that we're going to be going to lambing season. So it'll be, oh, there's Dash. There he is. He did come back. I don't know where he is. Can you see him in the woods? He's got camouflage like a deer. Alright, well I'll see you guys next week. Talk to you later. Bye.